My name is Jasinta and I'm from Germany. For 2 weeks. I study molecular biology and it's a very different experience than you can have in Germany, connected to the subject that I study. My favorite task was also the elephant duties. I like to cut the fruits, it was very fun. I understand better what the word conservation means and all the aspects that consider to this file. To see the animals so close, it's definitely a memory. For example, to see the cheetahs or the hippos without a fence or something so close. I would say only that in the first days it was very cold in the night, but it was fine with the heating blanket. So, yeah. Inspiring, interesting and unforgettable. I feel very sad about leaving because I was only here for 2 weeks. I would love to spend more time here to see more different tasks to do. And what I will miss most is right now the hot weather, because in Germany it's cold. And of course the animals and the good food we had there from Francina was very nice. Stay longer than 2 weeks. It goes too fast, and yeah, read that you have to bring warm clothes for the evening. The team was very, very nice. You all helped us to do the task well and to feel comfortable. Yeah, you did a very good job.